Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily install Instagram in your Windows 11 computer. To begin, click on the Windows or Microsoft Store to open. If you cannot see it in the tab bar, click on the search bar and type Microsoft Store and click on it to open. You might need to wait a few seconds until the store loaded all features. As a next step, in the search bar, you want to type Instagram. Click on Instagram logo so that you are redirected directly to the page. As a next step, click on Install. Once the download is completed, you will see the option Open. Click on it to open. As a next step, you will be asked to enter your details. You can always select Create Desktop Shortcut, and you can click on Auto Start on device login. So I will click Allow. You can allow cookies for now. You will be asked to enter the phone number, the username or the email, the password, and then click Login as usual. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.